Dear students, welcome to the next lecture in signals and systems. We have already started the third unit in the last class, and there we had started the topic of trigonometric Fourier series. Okay, so in that we also discussed the different kind of symmetry conditions that were present. So just to summarize, uh, we discussed that there can be even symmetry which can be present. So in even symmetry we had seen that the term Bn is 0, and that means in signals which are having even symmetry only cos terms will be present. Okay, so cosine terms will be present in its Fourier series along with a constant term which is due to a naught. Okay, so since a naught and an are having some non-zero values, so that is why in the even signals, that is those signals which are having even symmetry, only cos terms along with a constant term will be present. Okay, whereas in case of odd signals we had seen that a naught and an are 0 and only bn term is present in it, so that is why we can say that only sine terms will be present in its Fourier series. Okay, so you can write down here that bn is 0 here, and a naught and an are non-zero values, whereas in the signals having odd symmetry, a naught and an both are 0. Okay, whereas the third kind of symmetry, that was called the half wave symmetry, so it was having a naught equals to 0, and in that we had seen that only odd components will be uh, present. So odd values of n uh, will be uh, present in it, even harmonics will be uh, absent. Okay, so all these 3 points we had seen in the last class. Now let us see some problems which are based on the trigonometric Fourier series. Okay, so let me just draw the waveform of a signal. Okay, let's suppose that this is a given signal. I already had drawn this waveform one time before, when I think we were discussing the odd type of symmetry, so you can also see from there. Okay, so this is, let's suppose it's pi, it is 2 pi. Okay, then 3 pi, and similarly it will be minus pi, this point will be minus 2 pi. Okay, so the question is, you have to find the trigonometric Fourier series for this signal and plot the line spectrum. Okay, so I will also discuss that what is this line spectrum at the end of the solution. Now to start this solution of this problem, you can very easily see that this waveform is an odd symmetric waveform. Okay, so this is an odd waveform, and you can also see that the period, this is a periodic waveform and its period is 2 pi, because it is repeating itself after this 2 pi. Okay, so if this period is 2 pi, then omega naught, which is 2 pi over t, that will be equal to 1. Okay, so let's suppose that its amplitude is denoted by this a. So the mathematical function for this waveform can be written as, it is a for values in between 0 and pi, and it is minus a for values in between pi and 2 pi. Okay, so as I already discussed that this is an odd function, so you can just write down that if the given waveform is an odd waveform or it is an odd function, so we know that a naught will be 0, and along with a naught, an will also be 0. So there is no need to calculate a naught and an in this problem, since these are 0. We only will focus on calculating the value of bn. Okay, so let's start with calculating bn. So this is 4 by t, 0 to t by 2, xt sine of n omega naught t dt. Now you put all the values, like this t is equal to 2 pi. Okay, so this will be from 0 to pi, a sine nt dt, because omega naught is equal to 1. Okay, so this will become equal to this will be equal to 2a upon pi minus 1 upon n cos of nt which can then be simplified to 2a upon n pi 1 minus cos of n pi. Okay, so this is the value for bn. Now to just have a detail, that is what will be bn for even and odd values of this n. So this will be 4a upon n pi for odd values of n, that is 1, 3 and 5. So that is due to the trigonometric behavior of this cos function. So you can just try to put any value, any odd value, like if you put n equals to 1 here, so it will be cos pi will be minus 1, so 1 plus 1 it will be, so 1 plus 1 2, and it will be 4a upon n pi. Similarly for all other odd values, whereas for even values it will just be 0. Okay, so again you can just put the value, any even value. So for all the even values, this function will be 1, so 1 minus 1 will be 0, and it will ultimately make the bn as 0. Okay, so now in the you have with you the coefficient of the trigonometric Fourier series. So you just write down the trigonometric Fourier series expression. So n equals to 1 to infinity bn sine nt. So since a naught and an are already 0, so there is no need to write that in the expression. We only had written this bn. Okay, so now So if you just now put the obtained values of Bn in it, so it will be 4a upon pi sine of t plus 4a upon 3 pi sine of 3t plus 4a upon 5 pi sine of 5t and so on. Okay, because for all the even values of n, Bn is 0, so there is no even term present here in the expression, only odd sign terms are present. So these individual components, they are also called the harmonic terms. Okay, so we can also say that only odd harmonic sign terms are present in this waveform. Okay, so one more thing which you can notice from here is that along with the odd symmetry, this waveform also has the half wave symmetry. Okay, and in the half wave symmetry condition, we had discussed in the previous lecture that only odd terms will be present. So that is now visible in the final answer, that only odd harmonics are present here, which is evident of the fact that the waveform also has the half wave symmetry. Okay, now now in the question you have been asked two different things. One is to obtain the trigonometric Fourier series, which you have done, which you have completed. You have with you now the expression of trigonometric Fourier series. The next thing which has been asked in the problem is to plot the line spectrum for it. Okay, so now if you remember, in the last lecture we discussed the polar form representation of the Fourier series, in which Cn term was there. Okay, so the plot of actually Cn versus n, this Cn versus n, it is called the line spectrum or amplitude spectrum. Okay, line spectrum or amplitude spectrum, whereas the other parameter that was present there, theta n, so if you plot theta n versus n, that will be called as phase spectrum. Okay, so now in this problem, if you have to plot the line spectrum for it, so you have to obtain Cn first. So if you remember from there that we had discussed that Cn is nothing but under root an square plus bn square, and since an is 0 here in this problem, so it will just be equal to the bn. Okay, magnitude of bn. So the line spectrum for it can be plotted. Let us suppose Cn is here and n is here. Okay, so for n equals to 1, let's suppose this is the value, this will be a straight line. Okay, and its amplitude is 4a upon pi. So this will be for n equals to 1. For n equals to 2, since bn is 0, so Cn will also be absent here. Then for n equals to 3, it will be present. Okay, so this will be 4a upon 3 pi. Then n equals to 4, again it will be 0, and then for 5 it will be present, it will be 4a upon 5 pi. So this is called the line spectrum or the amplitude spectrum of the of this function. Now let us see one more problem. Now this is a triangular waveform. Okay, amplitude is same, all as having an amplitude of 1. Okay, this can be xt, this is t, so 0 1 2 3 -1 -2 and so on. Okay, so again the question is same, that obtain the trigonometric Fourier series for this signal and plot the line spectrum for it, as we had done in the last problem. Now again, to start its solution, you can see that this is obviously a periodic waveform. The period is 2 here. Okay, then omega naught can just be obtained as pi. Now this waveform is an even waveform, or it is an even signal, contrary to the last problem which was an odd function. Okay, so it is visible from here that the waveform on the one side is just the replica of the waveform of the other side, or you can say the mirror image of the other side of the function. Okay, so the mathematical function first you have to write, so you can write it as, so if t is in between 0 to 1, it can be written as 1 minus t, and whereas it is t minus 1 if t is in between 1 to 2. Okay, now since the given waveform is an even signal or even waveform, therefore Bn will be directly written as 0, because we know that Bn term will not be there in the even signal. So just you have to calculate A naught and An values. So A naught, if you calculate, it will be 2 by t integral 0 to t by 2 xt dt. Okay, so put all the values. T is 2 here, and t by 2 is 1. Okay, and xt will be 1 minus t times dt. So you try to solve it, it will come as 1 by 2. Next you have to calculate An. So it will be 4 by t 0 to t by 2 xt cos n omega naught t dt. So 4 by 2 0 to 1, and again you just have to put the value in it. Okay, cos n pi t dt, because omega naught is pi here. So you just try to solve it. It should come as 2 upon n square pi square (1 minus cos n pi). Okay, so this will be An. So again, if you just look this value of An for different odd and even values, so what you will get, it will be 4 upon n square pi square for the odd values, that is 1 3 5 and so on, and it will be 0 for the even values. Okay, now you have to substitute these values, that is A naught, An and Bn, in the trigonometric Fourier series expression. So first you have to write that expression again, that a naught plus summation n equals to 1 to infinity an cos n omega naught t. Okay, because bn is 0 here, so again there is no need to write that. So when you put all the values of a naught and an in it, it will be 1 by 2 4 by pi square cos pi t plus 4 by 3 pi square cos 3 pi t plus 4 by 5 pi square cos 5 pi t. Okay, now so this Fourier series contains the odd harmonic cosine terms here. Now we also have to plot the line spectrum for it. So again, as I discussed in the last problem, that it will just be a plot of Cn versus n. So it will be, first you have to obtain Cn, that will be under root an square plus bn square. Now in this problem, since bn is 0, so it will just be the magnitude of this an. Okay, so if you plot it for 0, it was coming as 1 by 2, then for 1 it was 4 by pi square. Okay, for n equals to 2 it was 0, then for n equals to 3 it will be 4 by 3 pi square, for 4 it will be 0, and so on. You can put the other values as well. Okay, so this is how this line spectrum will be plotted. This is the plot of Cn versus n, and this is the line spectrum. Okay, so this is how the problems related to trigonometric Fourier series are solved. Okay, you try to solve some more similar kind of problems. Now in the next lecture, we will discuss, or we will start the other type of Fourier series, that is the exponential Fourier series. Thank you very much.